Certain foods are sometimes referred to as superfoods. Blueberry is one of them. Its effects on health are numerous, powerful, and widely documented by serious scientific studies. These small berries rich in antioxidants can protect against aging, reduce heart disease, or even accelerate recovery after sports training. Scientists believe that a group of antioxidants called anthocyanins, contained in blueberries, explains much of the beneficial health effects of these berries. Anthocyanins are natural pigments that give fruits and vegetables their vibrant colors, ranging from red to blue. 1. Blueberries improve vascular functioning. A 2019 study on anthocyanins in blueberries shows that these substances can improve vascular function in humans, that is, the ability of blood vessels to regulate blood flow. As part of the study, participants consumed wild blueberries daily for a month. Researchers observed a significant improvement in the ability of blood vessels to dilate, as well as a reduction in 24-hour systolic blood pressure. These results suggest that anthocyanins in blueberries may exert a positive effect on vascular health by improving the endothelium, the layer of cells that lines the inside of blood vessels. Improved endothelial function is associated with reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. 2. They improve the intestinal microbiota. In one study, participants consumed a drink made from wild blueberry powder for 6 weeks. The researchers observed a significant increase in participants' bifidobacteria, a type of bacteria beneficial for gut health. Bifidobacteria facilitate the digestion of dietary fiber, the production of vitamins, and protection against pathogens. These changes can help reduce inflammation in the body and provide protection against various chronic diseases. 3. They are beneficial for the eyes. The numerous antioxidants in this small fruit, particularly anthocyanins, as well as vitamins C and E, are all recognized for their potential to protect eyesight and slow vision loss. Furthermore, researchers found that a diet supplemented with blueberries did not improve vision in the dark, but helped subjects slightly recover normal vision after exposure to bright light. However, researchers point out that anthocyanins could improve visual health in people who already suffer from eye problems. Did you know, during the Second World War, British Royal Air Force pilots consumed large quantities of blueberry jam in the hope that it would improve their night vision? Although this effect has not been scientifically proven, the idea still persists today. 4. They reduce damage caused to DNA. Oxidative DNA damage is damage caused by these same free radicals to the DNA molecules present in our cells. These lesions can lead to genetic mutations and chronic diseases such as cancer, cardiovascular disease, and premature aging. Blueberries, rich in antioxidants, can therefore neutralize some of the free radicals that damage DNA. One surprising study had people drink a liter of blueberry juice and apple juice per day. In 1 month, scientists measured that oxidative damage to DNA had been reduced by 20%. 5. They improve cholesterol and blood pressure. The oxidation of bad cholesterol is a process during which free radicals, again, attack LDL molecules and oxidize them. Oxidized LDL in the blood can cause inflammation and damage to blood vessel walls, increasing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Antioxidants can help prevent LDL oxidation by neutralizing free radicals that attack LDL molecules. Again, the antioxidants in blueberries have been shown to reduce levels of oxidized LDL. Blueberries are therefore very beneficial for the cardiovascular system. For example, Taking 50 grams of freeze-dried blueberries daily reduced LDL oxidation by almost 30% in just 2 months in people suffering from obesity. These people also saw a reduction of at least 4% in their blood pressure. 6. They could help reduce the risk of heart attack. A large study of more than 93,000 nurses showed that those who consumed the most anthocyanins, the main antioxidants in blueberries, had a 32% lower risk of heart attack than those who did not. Other factors may have influenced this difference, so it is not yet certain that anthocyanins alone are responsible. Further studies are needed to confirm this. 7. They improve memory. The brain is particularly sensitive to oxidative stress because it has a high metabolism rate, consuming approximately 20% of the oxygen consumed by the body. It also contains lipids and fatty acids that are very sensitive to oxidation. Oxidative stress in the brain can cause damage to nerve cells. It is involved in the development of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. According to animal studies, the antioxidants in blueberries may reduce cognitive decline and boost areas of the brain essential for intelligence and memory. Human studies have also shown promising results. For example, a study of more than 16,000 older adults shows that blueberries and strawberries were linked to a delay in cognitive aging of up to more than 2 years. This effect is believed to be due to the direct interaction of berry polyphenols with aging neurons, reducing the impact of cellular signals linked to stress and increasing the ability of neurons to maintain correct functioning during aging. 8. The anthocyanins in blueberries could fight diabetes. Although sweet, blueberries have beneficial effects on the health of diabetics. Research suggests that anthocyanins in blueberries have beneficial effects on insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. These anti-diabetic effects have been seen with both fresh and freeze-dried berries. 9. They fight urinary infections. It is accepted that cranberry juice is beneficial in preventing urinary infections. Blueberries have many characteristics in common with cranberries. They contain many similar active substances. These substances are called non-stick. They can prevent bacteria like E. coli from attaching to the bladder wall. For the moment, however, no study has evaluated the specific effect of blueberries on urinary infections. 10. They promote muscle recovery. Strenuous exercise, such as high-intensity training, can lead to muscle pain and soreness. This pain is caused by microscopic damage to muscle fibers that occurs during exercise and triggers a localized inflammatory response. Food supplements based on blueberries are likely to reduce muscle aches and therefore improve sports performance. A study of 10 female athletes indicates that consuming blueberries accelerated muscle recovery after intense exercises that targeted the legs. Blueberries are very rich in nutrients and very low in calories. Blueberries are one of the most nutrient-rich fruits. Blueberries are simply one of the richest fruits in antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that help protect the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals. The latter are unstable molecules produced by our body in response to pollution, stress, tobacco, and UV rays. Free radicals can damage healthy cells and lead to chronic diseases such as cancer, cardiovascular disease, and premature aging.